Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Power off and unplug the PSU, then ground yourself so static won't ruin components. Remove the GPU from the case, keep track of screws and bracket alignment so reassembly is exact. Next, remove the cooler screws while holding the heatsink steady. Do not force anything. Once the cooler is loose, lift straight up to avoid flexing the PCB. Make sure you have 90% plus isopropyl, a lint-free cloth, and replacement paste ready before you continue. Once done cleaning, remove all visible thermal compound from the die and heatsink surfaces using 90% plus isopropyl and a microfiber cloth. Q-tips help in crevices. Inspect thermal pads and replace any that are squashed or damaged, because pads conduct where paste cannot. Apply a pea-sized dot or a thin line of paste to the center of the GPU die, not too much, not too little because proper coverage matters for heat transfer. Then lower the heatsink evenly. You finish by reinstalling the GPU, reconnecting power, and booting the system. Monitor temperatures immediately for the first 10 to 15 minutes so you can confirm improvement. If you see high or uneven temps, shut down, reopen, and verify the heatsink makes full contact and screws are torqued evenly. Make sure thermal pads are aligned and not blocking contact. One key troubleshooting tip. If temps remain high, re-clean and reapply paste with a slightly different amount, then test again. This usually fixes residual contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.